Hello there, fellow Instagrammers. Welcome to the vibrant world of Instagram, where creativity knows no bounds and every post is a new opportunity to express yourself. Instagram is an incredible platform that has revolutionized the way we share our lives and connect with others. It's a space where you can showcase your passions, hobbies, and daily adventures. It allows us to share our stories and connect with others in ways that were never possible before. Whether it's through photos, videos, or stories, Instagram brings people together from all corners of the globe. But in a sea of perfectly curated feeds, how can you make your content stand out? With millions of users posting daily, it can be challenging to capture attention. It's all about creating engaging content that draws people in. Think about what makes your perspective unique and how you can present it in a way that resonates with your audience. Think of your Instagram feed as your own little corner of the internet. It's a digital scrapbook where you can curate your favorite moments and share them with the world. What story do you want to tell? Your feed is a reflection of who you are, so make it personal and authentic. What impression do you want to make? Consider the themes, colors, and styles that best represent you and your brand. This essay will give you the tools you need to create content that shines. From crafting compelling captions to mastering the art of photography, we've got you covered. Get ready to have some fun. Let's dive in and explore the endless possibilities that Instagram has to offer. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, there's always something new to learn and discover. We'll take you through the basics of setting up your profile, choosing the right filters, and using hashtags effectively to reach a wider audience. Engaging with your followers is key. Respond to comments, like posts, and build a community around your content. The more you interact, the more your audience will feel connected to you. Don't forget to keep an eye on your analytics. Understanding what works and what doesn't will help you refine your strategy and grow your presence on the platform. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small. Every new follower, like, or comment is a step towards building your brand and sharing your story with the world. So grab your phone, get creative, and start sharing your unique perspective with the world. Instagram is your creative playground, and the possibilities are endless. Let's make some magic happen. A picture is worth 1,000 words, right? But in today's digital age, a picture can be worth even more. It can be the difference between a scroll past and a double tap, a fleeting glance, and a lasting impression. Capturing eye-catching photos is an art that combines technical skill with a creative eye. On Instagram, it's your visual calling card. Your photos are the first thing people see, and they can make or break your online presence. Whether you're a budding influencer, a small business owner, or just someone who loves sharing moments, having stunning photos is essential. You want your photos to be stunning and attention-grabbing. Vibrant colors, sharp details, and unique compositions can set your photos apart from the millions of others out there. But how do you achieve that? First things first, lighting is everything. Good lighting can transform an ordinary scene into something extraordinary. It can highlight details, create mood, and add depth to your photos. Natural light is your best friend. It's soft, flattering, and free. The golden hours just after sunrise and before sunset are perfect for capturing beautiful, warm light. But even on a cloudy day, natural light can be your ally. Try taking photos near a window or outdoors. The diffused light from a window can create lovely, soft shadows, while outdoor light can bring out the vibrant colors of nature. Avoid using your flash if you can. Flash can create harsh shadows and unnatural highlights, making your photos look flat and washed out. It can wash out your photos. Instead, try increasing your ISO or using a slower shutter speed to capture more light. Next up, composition. The rule of thirds is a classic photography technique. It's a simple way to make your photos more balanced and interesting. Imagine your image divided into 9 equal squares. This grid helps you position your subject in a way that's pleasing to the eye. Place your subject along these lines or at the points where they intersect. This creates a natural balance and draws the viewer's eye to the most important parts of the image. But don't be afraid to break the rules sometimes. Some of the most striking photos come from thinking outside the box. Don't be afraid to experiment with angles. Changing your perspective can add a whole new dimension to your photos. Get low to the ground or find a high vantage point. These unusual angles can make your photos stand out and give them a unique look. A fresh perspective can make all the difference. So grab your camera, experiment with lighting and composition, and start capturing those eye-catching photos that will make everyone stop and take notice. You don't need a fancy camera to take amazing photos. Your smartphone is a powerful tool. Keep your lens clean for crystal clear shots. Experiment with portrait mode for those dreamy, blurred backgrounds. Use grid lines to help you keep your photos straight. Don't underestimate the power of editing. Instagram has built-in filters and editing tools. You can adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation. Explore other photo editing apps for even more creative control. VSCO and Snapseed are popular choices. Remember, the key is to enhance, not alter. Embrace imperfections. They add character and authenticity to your photos. Your caption is your chance to tell a story, share your thoughts, and connect with your audience. Start with a hook. Ask a question, share a surprising fact, or use humor to grab attention. Keep it concise and easy to read. Break up longer captions into shorter paragraphs. Use emojis to add personality and visual interest. But don't go overboard. Most importantly, be yourself. Write in your own voice. Let your personality shine through. The hashtag game, mastering the art of visibility. Hashtags are like, well, keywords for Instagram. They are the magic words that can make your content discoverable to a wider audience. They help people find your content. When used effectively, hashtags can significantly boost your visibility and engagement. Use a mix of popular and niche hashtags relevant to your content. Popular hashtags can give you a quick boost, while niche hashtags can connect you with a more targeted audience. Research popular hashtags in your niche. Spend some time exploring what hashtags influencers and competitors in your field are using. Use tools like hashtagify.me or later to find relevant hashtags. These tools can provide insights into hashtag popularity and trends, helping you make informed decisions. And don't forget to create your own branded hashtags. A branded hashtag can help build your community and make your content easily recognizable. Keep your hashtags organized. Create a note on your phone with different categories of hashtags. Organizing your hashtags into categories can save you time and ensure you always have the right hashtags at your fingertips. This will make it easy to copy and paste them into your captions. Having a pre-organized list means you can quickly add relevant hashtags to your posts without having to think too much about it. Aim for 5 to 15 hashtags per post. This range is generally considered optimal for maximizing reach without appearing spammy. Remember, the goal is to enhance visibility and engagement, not to overwhelm your audience. Regularly analyze the performance of your posts to see which hashtags are driving the most engagement. Adjust your strategy based on these insights to continually improve your visibility. Engaging with your audience through hashtags can also foster a sense of community. Respond to comments and interact with users who find you through your hashtags. Incorporate hashtag planning into your overall content strategy. Plan your hashtags ahead of time as part of your content calendar to ensure consistency and effectiveness. Mastering the art of visibility through hashtags can lead to increased followers, higher engagement, and ultimately, greater success on Instagram. So start playing the hashtag game today and watch your visibility soar. Authenticity is key. Let your true colors shine. In a world of filters and perfectly curated feeds, authenticity is refreshing. Don't be afraid to show the real you. Share your passions, your quirks, and even your struggles. People connect with people who are genuine. Share your story, your why. What makes you unique? Embrace imperfections. They make you human and relatable. Don't be afraid to be vulnerable. Sharing your vulnerabilities can create a deeper connection with your audience. Engaging your audience. Spark conversations and build connections. Instagram is a social platform. That means you need to be social. Engage with your followers. Respond to comments and direct messages. Ask questions in your captions. Start polls and quizzes in your stories. This encourages interaction and makes your audience feel heard. Host Quanda sessions. This is a great way to connect with your audience. Answer their questions. Share your expertise. Building a community. Nurturing relationships on Instagram. Building a community on Instagram takes time and effort. Engage with other users in your niche. Leave thoughtful comments on their posts. Support other creators. Share their work on your stories. Collaborate with other users. This is a great way to cross-promote your content and reach a wider audience. Remember, it's not just about the numbers. Focus on building genuine connections. Conclusion: go forth and create. There you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge and tools to create engaging content on Instagram. Remember to have fun and let your creativity shine through. Experiment with different photography techniques, caption styles, and hashtags. Find what works best for you and your brand. Don't be afraid to try new things. Most importantly, be yourself. Share your story and connect with your audience authentically. Now go out there and create something amazing.